In this lecture, we will see data grid view control in Windows application. Data grid view control provides a customizable table for displaying the data. It allows customization of cells, rows, columns, and border. It is used to display data with or without data source. Different properties for data grid view controls are: first is name, which is used to get source sets the name of the control. Allow user to add row is used to get source sets a value indicating whether the option to add rows is displayed to the user. Allow user to delete row properties used to get source sets a value indicating whether the user is allowed to delete rows from the data grid view. Allow user to resize column properties used to get source sets a value indicating whether the user can resize the columns. Allow user to resize rows properties used to get source sets a value indicating whether the user can resize the rows. Border style properties used to get source sets the border style for the data grid view. Current cell properties used to get source sets the currently active cell. Current row properties used to get source sets the currently active row. Data source properties used to get source sets the data source that the data grid view is displaying the data. Enable properties used to get source sets a value indicating whether the control can respond to user interaction. Font properties used to get source sets the font name, style and size of the text displayed in control. For color properties used to get source sets the color of text. Read only properties used to get source sets a value indicating whether the user can edit the cells of data grid view control. Row count properties used to get source sets the number of rows displayed in the data grid view. Row header border style properties used to get source sets the border style of the row header cell. Rows property is used to get a collection that contains all the rows in the data grid view control. And visible property is used to get or sets a value indicating whether the control is visible or not. Different methods for data grid view are: auto resize columns, which is used to adjust the width of the column to fit the contents of all their cells including the header cells. Auto resize rows method is used to adjust the height of all the rows to fit the content of all their cells including the header cells. Focus is used to set the input focus to the control. Hide method is used to hide the control from the user. Refresh method is used to refresh the data grid view control. And show method displays the control to the user. Different events for data grid view controls are: cell content click, which occurs when the contents within the cell is clicked. Cell double click occurs when the user double clicks anywhere in the cell. Key press event occurs when the character or a spacebar or a backspace key is pressed while the control has focus. Key down event occurs when key is pressed while the control has focus. Leave event occurs when the input focus leaves the control. And lost focus event occurs when the control loses the focus.